In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can send crypto on Coinbase. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But a quick little disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and this is not financial advice. But before you did send any crypto, just make sure that you do double check the recipient address and network because crypto transactions cannot be reversed once they are sent. To send crypto, what you need to do is obviously make sure you sign into your account. And what you need to do now is hit pay. It used to be called send and receive. It is now going to be called pay, and it's now pay and receive down here. To send it, go ahead and type in how much you want to send. For example, 250 USD. But make sure you change to whatever asset it is that you want to send as well, which I believe 250 USD is about 188 XRP right here. From here, go ahead and hit pay and choose whoever it is that you want to go ahead and pay. You can enter in their crypto address, the recipient's crypto address. You can enter in the email address. You can enter in a phone number, their name if you have them saved as a contact as well. And you can also add a note as reference as well. Now, I'm not actually going to send any crypto right now, but whenever you're ready, simply go ahead and select them, hit send now. You will confirm, and for security, Coinbase will probably ask you to verify that transaction, either using a Coinbase app if you're on the website or two-factor authentication as well. And as soon as you complete that verification, you can then view the transaction details or close the confirmation window. The process really is as simple as that, though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.